me and my kittens. Me. Just me and my kittens. Do, do, do. Just me and my kittens. Rosie just scratched me. Me and my kittens. If you're my boyfriend, I'm your girlfriend. Why don't you be nobody else? Why don't you be nobody? If you are my boyfriend, I'm your girlfriend. Boo boo. Bebo and Belladonna. Bebo and Belladonna. That was Bebo and Belladonna. Bebo and Belladonna. Bebo and Belladonna. Bebo and Belladonna. Apple, it wants to play. Bebo and Belladonna. Bebo and Belladonna. This one wants to take pictures. Oh. Hey, Rosie, look at the camera. That one wants to take pictures too. So yeah, that's Tootie Poopy Pop. Ah, don't bite me, Rosie Bitey. Don't bite me! Don't bite me! Hey. Who am I looking at? Ava. What the heck? Did that test happen earlier? Did you see it? Kitty food. Does that look yummy? Does that look yummy? The big baby monster of the kittens. Poop or pee on your pants. Here. See? Don't even think about it. I'm actually happy. Just take a video. Just imagine I did that for the whole video. That would be too weird. And it would be boring. Like that too. Like making silly faces. Just for the whole video. Let's do a staring contest, guys. You blinked. I don't even know if you blinked or not. I don't even know if you blinked or not. So I'm just gonna keep blinking. Imagine if I did that for the whole video. Boring. Just like the boring. That's boring. If I just say boring for the whole video, that's boring. Literally, she's in front of poop. He is in front of poop. You want to see? He's right in front of poop. See, he was literally right above here. Finally, I was trying to get out of the pictures, and literally I couldn't even figure out, but I already know to swipe it, but it was being weird. When I swiped down, it would just go to where the light can go in the picture. And so I did that again, and then finally I got over to this thing. If I talked in the whole video, that would be boring. We don't want to do that. Also, I am talking in the whole video because I'm doing things in the whole video but talking to them. There we go. I was trying to get out.